Vrenmol is a dipping powder liquid kit. So that's what we're going to be doing. I unboxed it. This is how it comes. What it includes is these 1, 2, 3, 4, and this little thing here, whatchamajigga, with the stick, a little file, and extra. I guess these are brushes that go into the dipping. So without further ado, let's get started. So it says, clean nail surface, apply layer of base coat. So we're gonna clean nail surface. We're using my Young Nails practice hand. Woohoo! And I started, I put the tips on. So we're just gonna clean them up. So I already prepped that. Let's use Young Nails Swipe, my favorite, to clean everything. All the residue, so we're gonna wipe that off. And then it says, apply a layer of base coat. So we're gonna apply a layer of base coat. This is the base coat. So let's do that. This is an extra, we don't need that. Let's apply a layer of base coat. So that's what I'm doing, applying a layer of base coat, right? I'm gonna apply a layer of base coat onto all the nails, all 4, because you can't see the 5th one, so that's 2, 3, right? And last but not least, 4. Okay. So it says, apply layer base coat, dip nail into powder. So I got my own powder. I'm going to be using clear from Not Polish. Oh, so I should have done this as I did 1, 2. Okay, let's dip, right? I'm gonna do one by one because I already put. And I'm gonna do the other, right? And the other. We're gonna brush with a little dust brush. It says on number 4, instead of saying it as I'm doing it, it says brush saver. So it says, after dipping powder, please use a nail brush. But that's instructions number 4. But I'm all the way up to number 1, but that's okay. I understand. All right, so dip nail into powder, then apply second layer of base coat. Apply second layer of the base coat. I'm still working on number 1, right? Second layer of base coat. So this is how it looks so far. Let me just show you. There's really not much lighting. Let me see, why is my lighting? Here you go. So that's right now what it looks like. So I'm gonna apply a second layer base coat. I'm gonna do all like I did before. I think that was faster, easier. Don't you think so? I thought so. All right, second layer of base coat. All right, quickly dip into powder. So let's quickly dip into powder. Quickly. Oops. Right. Dip this one. And dip this one. And then, of course, brushing up the residue, the leftover lightly, right? You want to do that lightly. Okay, so then it says apply activator, a generous amount of activator after base coat. So we're going to apply a generous amount of activator. Generous amount. So that means a lot. Generous amount of activator, right? Generous amount of activator. Apply. Don't mind this one. I did this one before. I was practicing with my flower. A generous amount of activator. That's what I did. Generous amount of activator. Okay. After base coat, covering the edges and capping the tips. So covering the edges, right? That's the edge. And capping the tip. It says covering the edges and capping the tip. Covering the edges and capping the tip. Covering the edges and capping the tip. Okay, so 3, it says dipping top. After activator, apply top coat. Top coat. I'm gonna apply top coat. Whoa. After activator, I am going to apply top coat. Okay. Top coat. Okay. Top coat. Top coat. Right. After activator, nails from this prevents it to create the top. Apply top coat to create a layer for shine and protecting nails from chipping, scratching, or cracking. Then wait air dry. So actually, it just dries on its own, air dry. You don't have to put it under the UV light. That's awesome, right? And then it sends you out. It says brush saver. This is a brush saver. Let me smell this. Let's see how this. It says after dipping powder, please use a nail brush to remove excess powder from around the nails, which there is no excess powder around the nails, but they should have put that after number 1 or in between number 1. And it says, please use a nail brush to remove excess powder from around the nail surface. Use brush saver to clean the brush. So, I guess this here is what you use to clean the brush. I'm assuming the brush after dipping powder. I don't know if it's this brush. I doubt it, because there's nothing on it. Maybe it has to be the top, the base coat. This cleans the base coat. I don't know. I have no idea what that means. But anyway, that's number 4, brush saver. And that is it. And wow, yes, it dried. Look at the shine on the, let's see if I can put, look at the shine on the nail, and it's dry. It didn't need to have no light, no fan, no nothing. Look how cool is that? Well, I mean, instruction wise, I would give them from 1 to 5. I would give them a 3, but product wise, I would give them a 4.5. Yeah, I would give them a 4.5, maybe even a 5. That's cool. That's really cool. All right, well, that sums it up for today. My love, my dears, my nail lovers. And until the next time, please help me grow this channel. And if you don't mind subscribing and hitting the like button, it would help pretty much give me an opportunity to grow this channel and to be with you more often, and also to rate and review and do more nails. So please feel free to comment. Help me. I take any comments. You know, not any comments. I hope they're good. I would take comments that, you know, would help me also understand what you guys are looking for, and pretty much so we can grow this channel together as a family. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll check you guys later.